What does Ofsted say about outdoor learning? Well, I'm not Ofsted, so I can't tell you, but I can tell you what other schools have told me about the Big O and when they've come to see their sessions. In particular, we've had a lot of great feedback in Scotland of outdoor education coming and seeing the sessions, using our approach and just having the best success, which means the world to us. Ofsted want to see that a lesson has been taught well, and they're going around looking for quality, ensuring that all children get access to the best quality teaching throughout the country. So how you do that is up to yourselves, but you've got to show that that objective has been enhanced by going outside. So there's something about you going outside that has enhanced that objective, okay? And what you've got to think in the back of your mind is this better than being inside? Could I have done this in the hall? Okay, there's something about being outside that's enhanced your objective. Now, we have a particular approach in order to ensure that anyone that comes and looks at us or looks at our session plans or comes and observes us can see that there's an element of why we've gone outside in order to ensure that objective has been inclusively met. By our differing children's abilities and ways that they learn, but also, there's the physical development, there's the mental health. So we do have a particular approach, and it's called the 3 Muddy M's: mental health, Mother Nature, and More Kids Moving. We plant those 3 objectives to ensure that we are, and it does need to go outside, or it is enhanced by going outside. If we can't fit our 3 Muddy M's in, then we know that it's not a session that should be outside, that it's probably an indoorsy. So that's what we use in our particular approach. I believe we are the only outdoor learning approach there is in the UK or in the world. We do have other outdoor approaches, but we are the first outdoor learning approach of its kind. So if you want to get in touch and learn more, it's www.themuddypuddleteacher.co.uk. Just book a chat with us and let's talk about your budgets, where you want to go and what you want to use the platform of the outdoors for, and we can help you with that.